da Frangi video studio da big restaurant ole. Let's go inside. Nangju. Big two big stores. Power Carbo Tasty Noodle Factory. And we're here waiting for our noodle. What are you waiting for, Kundan? Kare go diye. Buff kima thukpa. Food party da. Inde gyarum chiku par babila. Best ever food review show ki Nepal nalola sahand nalola kudiye. Melam ki karanga ambe. Keema noodle soup.
Yeah.
Half plate.
Both keema noodle.
Kunde karanga ambe.
Keema.
Buff keema noodle soup. Buff lana buffalo ra. Nge karanga lana buff momo chimai. The review the best ever food review the ani dila skala salid wa. Didn't subscriber million issues to jadi you don't so kala kala take the million issues now this in the go in my videos to get it dinner
Tibetan in origin, but even more flavorful and much more spicy.
Right now we are in a kitchen which is basically its own tiny noodle making factory. Here they're doing everything from taking flour, eggs, and water and making the dough to kneading the noodles and then cutting those into the noodles you see right here. She's hanging the noodles right now. Can I have those? Yeah, thank you. Take a look at these noodles. You know, it's not like a lot of the noodles I see in Southeast Asia, which are more rice-based. These are a flour-based noodle, but with plenty of eggs inside, but still not an egg noodle. This is a Tibetan noodle.
Cook the wheat noodles al dente, then assemble. But don't flavor the noodles, flavor the plate. First with green onions, a mixture of salt, MSG, and chili powder. Then jaja, a traditional Tibetan black bean sauce. Add garlic paste, the noodles, veggies, and finally top it up with minced buffalo meat.
This is enough for a small family.
You take this chili oil, put it in as much as you like.
But they already put spices on the bottom, right?
That's not enough.
Okay, I'm doing what you're doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay for it later, right?
Okay, yes.
Oh, gosh. These noodles are so interesting because they've got so much body to them. Oh, yes. This is awesome. Oh,
Can you taste that the noodles literally really fresh?
yeah, super slippery. It just slides right down your throat. It's almost like oily, slightly. Chili oil is powerful. Otherwise, it's just super savory. You can taste the beefiness of the buffalo. And then every once in a while, you find a vegetable. And you put it to the side, and then you keep eating.
No, I like it.
Is that half? Half is too much. Just bring it over here. Take a video of that nice.
Mom, do you want that? Sure, I'll just.
Not shaking too much. Oh, use that chopstick. Itaro dinas. Oh, momos, buff momo, buff tokpa. Give me a review. How does it taste? How does it taste? Good. How about Milam? How's your tukpa?
I never tasted.
Yeah, do it now.
It's like filled to the brim. Huh?
You like it? How about you, Kundan? Clean your hands on there. Leave that on the side. Leave that on the side. Do it the other way. I'll get on the YouTube like that. The Nepal trash. much.
Quick,